So guys, welcome back to my new video. Today we are going to do is making brush in Procreate. First we are going to do is making heart, and we just import into the brush icon. Now we are going to do is take screen size and draw a heart. First I'm going to take a black color like that, and what I'm gonna do is draw a heart like this, just a regular heart. I'm just I was like not that much good showing example, and I'm gonna raise that and make it more smaller, and I will like make more good to get change, adjustment, open adjustment like that. Yes, next we am going to draw one more heart. You can do whatever you want. I'm just making, and go to open the share, open share and PNG, and go for save image, and go to I'm gonna clear that, clear, open brush icon, and what we're gonna do is go to the star icon, and this is not what we need, but you can see your brush in this. If you can pin the brushes, but this one not what we need. So go to top and that blue color plus icon, and we can rename what we want. I'm just like writing I'm going to cut everything, and I will write olive, just OLIV. That's my name, and go to plus icon, the right side, and go to shape, write the star icon, and go to edit right there, top left, no, the center, and import photo. Go to import and import photo, and I'm just going for that what I draw, heart shape, and two finger, tap two finger, and go to done, and we got this. This is not what we need. Go to max, go for max, and go for properties, and make minimum size into 57%. Maybe it's good, I think. I'm just trying. You can just tap, no need to draw. I'm going for minimum and max, everything max, not everything. Maximum size opacity is max, and minimum size opacity is also max. Yep, I'm checking. You can make more size for going. If you want to, you can make So let me, don't need to zoom in. Yeah, if you want bigger size you can go for again and go to opacity and minimum size. Go for maximum size into 167. Maybe is it enough? And that is also 167. And I think it's not that much big. You can make more bigger for going back again. Yeah, the word we need. Yeah, that much. Whatever you like. Yep, this is how we write. Now next, while we are writing how to make hairbrush, can use any brush to make hairbrush like these ones, and go to, like, you can use this brush if you have. You can, like, if you use that brush and if you put a dot you can make with this, but for you I'm going to go to model line brush. Right there, open the model line brush. I'm going to put some dot. Not that. Yep. Put some dot and go to, I'm going to duplicate 3 finger down and go for cut and paste and go for layer and duplicate again, and the second layer I'm going to change it right down, and the upper layer also down, third layer, like that. And I'm going to squeeze all and duplicate second layer again what I did, like that, and the top layer also like there, and squeeze again and go to we did early share PNG, save image, and go to brush, top what we made, olive, and shape, go to shape, and what we did, import a photo, like that. Take what we need, like that, 2 finger, tap 2 finger, go to, I'm checking is it good or not, but it's not what we need. It's not what we need, so what I'm going to do is go to properties. First, before I'm going properties, I'm going to adjust this one right there. Now it's more better. Now we need to change the size and go to properties to make size. Minimum opacity about 50%. Next, what I'm going to do is that one, maximum size max, and minimum size, sorry, maximum opacity it will be max and minimum size will be 50%, and like that. And go to Apple Pencil and go to not bleed. We need is size. the first top size, and what we need is to get about something like 48%. Maybe it will be good for max. That one will, if you give pressure, it will become like this. I'm going for max, maybe about 80%. Yeah, go for done, and bleed, I'm going for 4. Yep. So go to done, and this is our hairbrush, and yep, this is our hairbrush. I think it's good. Yep, you can try in Procreate. That's what we are video. If you like the video, subscribe, share, click the bell button, and follow for more. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and bye bye.